So we're here to discuss a Stonegate exclusive bridge saw blade, the Vortex Blade. Jeremiah, can you tell us about what it's designed for?
Yeah, sure. So this Vortex is designed for granite and engineered stone, 20mm and 30mm. So realistically, it's an all-rounder fabricated blade.
Excellent. And does it give a clean finish for me?
Absolutely, yeah. It's got a well-designed tip so that it gives a clean finish on the top of the stone as well as the bottom of the stone.
Good. And does it stay sharp throughout its lifespan?
Yeah, it does, very much so. It's a brilliant blade for this. The mix of the soft bond and the arranged diamond means that it will last all the way down to the body of the blade. So it's a very good life blade. Which brings me on to a question actually. I get asked a lot whether it's suitable for fixed speed saws and also CNC saws. Tell us about that, Larry.
Yeah, it's a great question. I also get asked that. It's a very versatile bond, so it is suitable for both fixed speed saws and CNC saws like the one behind me.
Yeah, okay. And tell us a bit about the speed you can cut on both those saws. Start with a fixed.
So fixed speed saws, we usually recommend between 2 to 3 meters a minute. And then for CNC saws, we usually recommend between 6 to 8 meters a minute. Along with the great speed though, you also get an excellent life. Tell us a little bit about the life.
Yeah, good. So it's an all-rounder really. The life of this blade, one customer even reported on a 450mm blade that they got 12,000 meters consistently. A mix between granite and engineered stone, 20mm and 30mm. So yeah, it really is a very good long life blade. So investing in this long life blade will save you money, also increase your production speeds and put a smile on your operator's face.